fam, welcome back. So for this recipe I'm going to be needing goat meat, but you can use any protein of your choice. Here I'm just adding some seasoning cube, and also some salt. So I'm also going to be blending some pepper and some onions. So I'm using a scotch bonnet pepper, so roughly blended. I'm just going to be adding it to my meat. Yes, the meat I'm using. So I'm going to just take and allow it to cook. So guys, I'm going to be using these 2 okra. This is the price of this okra. This is €2.33 for this one, and this other one is €1.86. So I'm going to be using both of them. So guys, our goat meat have been cooking for more than let me just say 25 minutes because it's hard. It's very hard. So I'm just going to be adding my shaki. Yeah, this shaki is half cooked. I like to just cook my shaki and throw away the water. So at this stage it's tasteless, so I have to add it so that it can cook and have taste. Yeah. I'm just going to be cutting my okra. So guys, what makes this soup unique is this banga. Instead of adding oil, we are going to be adding banga to our okra soup. So this is called banga okra soup or okra banga soup. So this is the brand I'm using. It's not sponsored, I'm just showing you guys. You can also use praise though. So I'm just going to allow this come to a boil before I add my okra. So this is what it's looking like. So I have to remove our shaki because I don't want it to be overcooked. So guys, if we were cooking only banga soup, at this stage our banga soup is ready, but we are making banga okra soup. So we are going to be adding the okra. So I just mixed it with a little bit of hot water. So take a look at that, guys. Going to be adding some water because it's obviously too thick. This is the shaki. Yeah, going to be adding, this is smoked fish. I smoked it myself. It's a smoked catfish. Then my crayfish. Yeah, voila, that's it. Our soup is good as ready, guys. It's good as ready. I'm just going to be tasting for salt. So that's it.